This is how I make notes. Sometimes, like this. Maybe like this too. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make notes effectively. Making notes is one of the beautiful processes of learning. Some people can get good marks even without taking notes while studying. But some people like me definitely need to take notes because without which I don't get that completed feel. Taking notes can be done either manually or digitally, but I always prefer manual way of taking notes. But most of the people nowadays go with the digital way of note taking. Now I'm going to tell you guys the steps you need to follow to take notes. The first step is to get a standard textbook. Take the textbook that your teachers have suggested you to study. For example, like these. We may have a lot of things to study, but we should select a single subject and a topic in that and should be sticking on to it without getting distracted by any other topics. You can read the topic that you're going to take notes for more than twice also, because while reading like that you can get a better understanding of that topic and you can get to know what you actually need to write on your notes. We can't write everything on our notes, right? So we can get the view of what we actually need to study, what we actually need to know, and what we need to write on our notes. Highlight the important points that you feel that must be inculcated in your notes, and you can use different colors for highlighting to make your text look very brighter, but don't waste more time in just designing or making it beautiful. Step 2. Choose comfort. By the term comfort, I'm not telling you guys to be in a place where you feel so comfortable like your bed, which makes you feel sleepy, right? I mean to select the notebook and pen which is comfortable for you. We don't need to buy any non-affordable notebooks or pen to make it aesthetic. You can have a long notebook like this or a 6-subject notebook like this. And for writing your notes, having black, blue and red colored pens are more than enough. The step 3 in note making is to be yourself. I would say that please don't change your handwriting while writing notes, guys, because you might feel that you're making your notes look better, but it is time consuming. What I actually mean to say here is don't try new fonts while writing notes. Just write and use whatever you know and you're well versed with. The final and the most important step in note making is to maintain discipline. I have previously mentioned this, but I'm telling it again that don't spend more time in making notes. Just be disciplined and stick to the time and stick to the topic. If you spend more time, your brain will automatically tell you that you are spending more time in making notes, which means there is no use of making notes. You can study many topics in that time. So you can't make notes after that, even if you think of doing one. Note making has a lot of advantages, but I have some of them for you guys. You are making your own notes, guys. So if you don't understand, you can't make that notes. So please be free to trust yourself. Now let's consider that you have studied a topic and took notes on it. After a long time, when the exam approaches, you need to study the topic again, right? So at that time, you may feel that, oh, I have a lot of syllabus to cover. But when you look at your notes, you will get a confidence that, yes, I have studied this much. I have already studied this much and I only need to revise them. And by taking notes manually, you can reduce your screen time to a great extent. Also guys, only if you have time, spend it in making your notes creative and make it beautiful and use colors, color pens, sketches, and make it attractive. Only if you have time, I'm repeating it again. Please don't do this when your exams are near. Concentrate on revising your notes. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys found this video really helpful. If you really like this content, please do leave a like and feel free to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. And I will meet you guys soon in my next video. Have a nice day!